welcome to this episode of Hands on Science.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel. I have quite the thing for you today. I have a challenge.
Challenge.
This is the Color Scramble challenge. So what I'd like you to do first is to say the color that each word is written in.
Say the color
that the word is written in.
Okay. So red, yellow, purple, blue, orange, gray, green, black, brown, white, blue, purple, black, green, yellow, red, white, brown, gray, orange.
Okay, pretty easy.
Super easy.
Easy peasy, right? Okay, now flip your card over. Now, same rules.
Yes.
You have to say the color that the word is written in.
Say the color
that the word is written in.
So I need to say...
And you want to say it fast. Go as fast as you can. So,
purple or red, yellow.
Nope, you want to say the color that the word is written in.
Purple, blue, gray. I can't do it fast.
This time it's a little harder, right?
Yes, I have to stop and think.
It's a lot harder. So each one of these words are written in a different color than what the word actually says, making it much harder.
Yes, because I want to say something else.
In the first one that we did in this example, the color that the word is written in is also the color that is written. Yes. So red is written in red, yellow in yellow.
I can say this one fast.
This one's easy.
Yes.
So if you guys out there can tell us why it's so hard to say the color that the word is written in our second challenge, leave us a comment. Tell us what you think and why you think it's so much harder. If you enjoyed this episode and this activity, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.